Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an up-to-date iPhone or paired Apple Watch and your Apple ID signed in. Once done, open Wallet and tap the card used with Apple Pay. Make sure to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If you prefer Settings, go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay and select the same card. These steps expose card controls and token details. You need authentication because Apple protects your payment number for security. Now, you go deeper to find the actual Apple Pay device account information. Tap the three dots or info on the selected card and choose Device Account Number or Device Account Info. This reveals the tokenized number assigned to that device. Make sure to authenticate again when prompted. You'll see the last digits and sometimes an identifier tied to that specific device. This is different from your physical card number, and knowing this explains why Apple Pay transactions show device-specific numbers. To finish, securely record the device account number or take a screenshot stored in a locked password manager. Avoid sharing full numbers. If you don't see device account info, sign out and back into iCloud, restart the device, or remove and re-add the card to force token regeneration. If problems persist, contact your card issuer because banks provision those tokens. Your bank can verify that the device account number exists and reissue it if needed, ensuring Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.